Well, talking about myself, I had a passion for storytelling. कहानियाँ बताने का शौक. And I ran for it with all that I had. You know, regardless of the amount of hate that I received, regardless of the amount of bullying that I received, regardless of the amount of people who disbelieved in me, I ran after my dream. And that is probably why I'm standing here right in front of you, telling you my story.
What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, think my heart's turned up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid and in love?
Alright, so this one particular vlog is from the 24-hour continuous run that I had on the 10th of September. मस्त एकदम भैया 24 घंटे के अंदर so much happened that I've got so much for y'all to see. So make sure you're tuning in with this one particular vlog and watching it till the very end, क्योंकि भैया there's a lot for you to watch in this one particular vlog, I promise. So watch it till the end. I'll see you all again. So what is up, guys? I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a cracker of a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever day you're living. My name is Parth Sal and Desi Vlogs. और भैया अभी का सीन ऐसा है कि going to board my flight from Delhi to Ahmedabad काफी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है अभी, ठीक है. Back on that full grind mode, ठीक है भैया. अपना वापस एकदम सिस्टम पूरा चालू हो चुका है. You all saw in the previous vlog भैया कैसे पूरा सिस्टम है, पूरा एयरपोर्ट वगैरह का. Came all the way from Dehradun to Delhi. अभी boarding this flight from Delhi to Ahmedabad. देखते हैं भैया आज का क्या सीन होता है. We'll be boarding this flight from T3 at Delhi. अभी तक अराइव किया था T3 में, आज डिपार्ट भी हो जाएगा, तो मस्त एकदम वो भी देखने को मिल जाएगा. बढ़िया भैया, got a bunch of good vlogs planned for you all for this one particular week. I am going to be giving a Josh Talks tomorrow और day after. मस्त एकदम जो भी होगा उसका vlog भी तुम लोगों को मिल जाएगा. अभी तो भैया ये यहाँ पे धुआं चढ़े जा रहे हैं, तो भैया काफी कुछ planned है. So make sure you all subscribe to this channel if you've not done it yet. Make sure you're a part of this family that the world will definitely know visible one day. We're coming out here, man, out here in all its real context as well. मस्त एकदम. पर बढ़िया है भैया, कोई बात नहीं. अभी जाते एयरपोर्ट, मस्त एकदम एयरपोर्ट की भी कहानियाँ दिखाते तो मैं मस्ती से चल. चलिए चलिए, थैंक यू, मिलते हैं. अरे बिल्कुल सर.
सर फोटो नहीं चलेगा, आपके पास ओरिजिनल है?
ओरिजिनल है सर, बट उसमें अभी वॉलेट भूल चुका हूँ सर मैं.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझ लीजिए.
हाँ जी, थैंक यू. Alright, so just landed here at the Ahmedabad airport. मस्त एकदम. अभी भैया वेट कर रहा हूँ ड्राइवर के आने की, ठीक है. फिर देखते हैं, काफ़ी प्यारा सरप्राइज है, ठीक है. गोइंग टू मीट अ वेरी स्पेशल पर्सन. काफ़ी प्यारा. आज एक दिन, सिर्फ एक दिन के लिए आया हूँ यहाँ पे. बट भाई यार क्या हाल है, कसम से. हाउ आर यू भाई? बस एकदम बढ़िया. देख
ईशान भी अपने को ज्वाइन करेगा 12 बजे.
मस्त.
वो देख, वो दिख रहा है तेरे को?
हाँ, प्रतीक भाई हमें लाए हैं रिवर फ्रंट पे एंड ही टेल्स अस कि ये है अहमदाबाद का लवर्स पॉइंट. तो मेरा नंबर 1 पॉइंट ये था. ये भाई हमारे काफ़ी बाली बुली करते रहते हैं ना. मैंने कहा कि भाई आपका तो यहाँ पे आना चला.
32 का हो गया
यहाँ पे.
अभी इसके जैसे लौंडे आते हैं.
चलो जी.
मैं बोल रहा था यहाँ पर करते हैं ना वो. हाँ तो
निकलो बस. मस्त. Yes. Take care. God bless. We'll sign off in digital Pratik style today.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Got body moving on.
right after I returned from Ahmedabad, it was around 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I was like, हाँ भैया चलो, now I'll invest this one particular time to practice for my Josh talks. अब इसके बारे में मैं थोड़ा कुछ तुम्हें बता देता हूँ, ठीक है? सुनो यार, देखो, I have given a multiple of speeches on stage, ठीक है? I've given a TEDx, I've given a multiple of keynotes all around the country, but I was yet to talk about this one particular, this एक काफ़ी छोटा सा एक फैक्टर था यार, लाइक अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी की एक स्टोरी है ना, जो भी पूरी अपनी ज़िंदगी की एक कहानी है एक पूरी. I was yet to talk about this one factor that has governed that entire story, that has shaped that entire story. So I was like, I was searching for that perfect opportunity जहाँ पे I could stand and deliver my story without having to hesitate or without having to hold myself back. And Josh Talks was this one particular opportunity for me, क्योंकि भाई मेरे को ये realize हो गया था कि now I am at a stage in my life where I can proceed from this point and onwards by being proud of where I've reached and shaping this journey for being the man that I have to be from this point and onwards. But yeah, this is so obvious. Like, I mean, everyone has a few decisions that shape their lives. And well, mine was this one particular decision, this entire decision that has been governing my story, that has been governing my journey, that has been governing this process of me becoming the man who I want to be. My decision of leaving the National Defence Academy, that was a huge decision in 2017, and I strongly believe that that is the whole sole reason for making me the man that I am today. And well, it's quite obvious that I had to wait for the perfect opportunity for this one particular story, and I found mine through Josh Talks. The way it was quite a beautiful day. After getting ready, I went directly to Gurgaon. मस्त एकदम कैब की राइड थी. कैब की राइड में भी प्रैक्टिस करा, घर में भी प्रैक्टिस करा. कैब की राइड में प्रैक्टिस करते करते I reached the destination. वहाँ पे पहुँच के एकदम भैया हक्का बक्का गुल. The moment I saw the stage, because भैया obviously पैंडेमिक इतना लंबा चला, इस I was craving to be on the stage. ये स्टेज का भी एक नशा होता है यार. It's such an addiction to see the audience. It's such an addiction to see the audience clapping it. मतलब एक वो हो जाता है यार, like वो यार, like from all the speeches that I gave in January and February, एक नशा सा हो गया था. Like I mean, like it was so beautiful, so addicting to see the audience shouting and cheering at the top of their voices. तो ये काफ़ी प्यारा सा moment था, and finally it was time for me to begin my speech. I cannot share the entire speech here in this video, but I'll share clippets. Despite the amount of doubt that the society was throwing at me, despite the amount of social boycotting, despite the amount of isolation that I had to go through, I kind of had this one thing within me that, okay, now there is no need for me to look back. There is no way that I can go back from here, because the decision has already been taken. I cannot go back from this place and be like, yaar, okay, क्या ये जो चीज़ लोग बोल रहे हैं वो सही है? I couldn't do it. I had no other option. So I wrapped my head around my work. I made sure that whatever I was doing it with full passion, full intensity. Yeah, that was my Josh Talks. You'll find the link to the full speech in the description. Make sure you're going watching it. Quite honestly, this was far pending. Me going out there, me going up on stage and speaking my story, speaking my truth was far pending. I was yet to do it in all of the speeches that I had done, but I am glad, I'm grateful, and I'm grateful to God, to each and every one of you for having given me this one particular opportunity. Quite honestly, for the amount of hate that we've received, for the amount of hate that I've received for this one particular decision, it was quite tough. Quite honestly, it was quite tough for me to convince myself to have gone up on the stage and say कि हाँ भैया चल ठीक है, आज तो तू बोलेगा, आज तू अपने सच के बारे में बात करेगा. Because भैया till date people believe that I have wasted a seat in the academy, which is not the apparent case. If you know how the defense works, if you know how the merit lists work, you know for a fact that I withdrew within 22 days, which is a period enough for someone else below the merit list to join the academy, which happened as well. When I returned back from the academy 3 months later, जब उनका वो पहला टर्म ब्रेक स्टार्ट हुआ, I received a comment on my YouTube videos, on one of my YouTube videos. That particular person told me, we even had a word on the DMs, that he had replaced my merit in the academy in the same squadron, and now he was watching my videos and he was feeling equally inspired, and he was actually, उसने खुद मैसेज करके लिखा था यार that he's proud of the decision that I made, and he's proud of the fact that I'm following my dreams. तो भैया अच्छा लगा था वो देख. And apart from that one particular message, the amount of love that I've received throughout this journey from you all, from each and every one of you who've supported me for this one particular decision that I've made, who've made sure that you've been there, who've stuck with me through this decision, through thick and thin of this process, of this journey. It really feels grateful, man. So yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Hope you all enjoyed. Hope you had a good time. If you did, make sure you leave a like. Make sure you leave a comment as well. Make sure you let me know which part of the speech you all enjoyed the most. Make sure you go watch the speech. But yeah, that's really very important. A huge step for our journey as a family as well. So make sure you're going watching it. Make sure you're going sharing your speech. Instagram पे जाओ share करो, WhatsApp पे जाओ share करो, तहलका मचा दो मस्त एकदम भैया. And I will see you all really very soon. And until then, you know what to do, you know how to do, you know how often to do it. make sure you're doing it more often and make sure you're running behind your dreams because भैया अगर भाई सिंपल सी बात है यार, अगर मुझ जैसा चूतिया यहाँ पे बैठ के बोल सकता है ना भाई, तो तुम लोग कर सकते हो यार। स्माइल।